Bundles.
And Matey.
And today we're going to do a really requested video of our Loopsy
collection.
Yes.
Let me speak, man.
Okay.
Anyways, we decided to do a runway edition.
Yes.
I thought it'd be really nice.
You thought of it.
Yeah, I thought of it.
No, my sister thought of it.
Anyways, these are only the big ones, not the littles or minis.
Yeah, we'll do the littles next time.
Yeah, so until then, thank you for watching. You love my face, I know.
Hey, enjoy! Get off it!
Okay, here we have working it on the runway is Peanut Big Top, wearing her clown costume. Posing. And here comes Sunny side up with her head turned. Look over here, Sunny. We're over here. Good job, Sunny. Pose. Leave the scene. Okay, then here is Pat's Treasure. Just head spin. Ooh, impressive. Wearing his awesome stuff. And here comes Mitten's Fluff and Stuff with blue hair and pink legs. And then here is Dot Starlight wearing her astronaut wear. She's working on the runway. Very nice. There's Ace Fender Benders with orange hair. Spiky, too. Tippy Tumbelina. Very happy to be on the runway. She likes attention. And here comes PJ Wearer Pillow Featherbed looking very happy. Big smile and purple hair. Okay, then here is Misty Mysterious working it. Okay, pose. Okay. Turn. Okay, work it. Walk that runway. Okay, here comes a hula dancer. Yeah, Mango Tiki Wiki, and there she goes. Very fast. Good job, everyone. Good job.